So this next song, the first verse is in Gaelic, so feel free to sing along.
Slum corki da vedin a hiva glanas teron smurna me besi smentir archonte weo come by the hills to the land where fancy is free. Stand where the peaks meet the sky and the lochs meet the sea, where the rivers run clear and the bracken is gold in the sun, and the cares of tomorrow can wait till this day is done. Fill the air with their joy all day long, where the trees sway in time and even the wind sings in tune, and the cares of tomorrow can wait till this day is done. Come by the hills to the land where legend remains, where the stories of old fill the heart and may yet come again, where the past has been lost and the future is still to be won, and the cares of tomorrow can wait till this day is done.